Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the differentiation of f of x comma y equal to 0. In previous videos, we discussed y in terms of x. Questions are there. For that, we have given some shortcut formulas and some examples. But in this video, I am going to discuss the function in terms of x and y. That means implicit function. How to differentiate shortcut formula I am going to discuss now. First I am going to discuss the procedure. After that I will explain some examples. See that if f of x comma y equal to 0, that means it is implicit function, then dy by dx equal to minus, keep bracket, differentiation with respect to x. In implicit function, both x and y terms should be there. But among that, differentiate with respect to x, keeping y as a constant. Keeping y constant. That we have to write in the numerator. Divided by, same situation we have to follow, same procedure we have to follow. Differentiate with respect to y, keeping x as a constant. We will see one example based on this concept. If xy is equal to tan of x plus y, then find dy by dx. The question is, then find dy by dx. First you have to write f of x comma y equal to 0. So this value also we are taking this side. Here f of x comma y is equal to, simply you can write as f xy, this we are taking this side, minus tan of x plus y. This is equal to 0 also can write, but we need only f of x comma y. After that, write directly differentiation formula, dy by dx equal to minus, keep bracket, in the numerator, differentiating with respect to x keeping y constant. In this, y keeping constant and d by dx of x is 1 minus tan of x plus y. This complete function you have to differentiate. D by dx of tan x is secant square x. So d by dx of tan of x plus y is secant square of x plus y. Again x plus y you have to differentiate. X derivative is 1 plus keeping y constant derivative is 0, divided by, same procedure, differentiate with respect to y keeping x as a constant. So now differentiate with respect to y. Whenever differentiating with respect to y, x we can treat as a constant. dy of y is equal to 1 minus tan of x plus y derivative is secant square of x plus y. Here there is no change at all, x plus y, into this you have to differentiate with respect to y, not x. So d by dx of y, dy of x, x is constant, the derivative is 0, plus d by dy of y value is 1. So now if you simplify, minus of y minus secant square of x plus y divided by x minus secant square of x plus y. This also can be written as, if you don't want to keep here minus, you have to interchange these two. It will become secant square of x plus y minus y divided by x minus secant square x plus y. Like this you have to give the answer. So one more example we can discuss. One more example. Y equal to square root of x plus square root of y plus square root of x plus square root of y plus and so on infinity. Then dy by dx. How to calculate? What is the use of this shortcut formula in this? But you have to observe here. Y equal to square root of x plus root of y plus x plus root of y plus and so on infinity. Except first two terms, remaining is also equal to y only, no? Therefore, this becomes y equal to square root of x plus root of y plus, this will become as y again. So y is equal to square root of x plus root 2y. Squaring on both sides, y square equal to x plus root 2y. Again we have to differentiate. So x, you can take this side. Y square minus x is equal to root 2y. Squaring on both sides, y square minus x whole square is equal to 2y. Now this you can assume that f of x comma y is equal to y square minus x whole square minus 2y. For this type of function, this is implicit function, we know how to differentiate. dy by dx equal to, first in the numerator differentiate with respect to x keeping y as a constant. So differentiation of this one, it is in the form of f of x whole power n. So 2 into f of x whole power n means n into f of x whole power n minus 1, again f of x you have to differentiate. 2 into y square minus x whole power 2 minus 1, that is 1 only, into differentiation with respect to x keeping y as a constant. So y derivative is 0 minus x derivative is 1 minus 2y, that constant, 2y is constant, the derivative is 0, whole divided by. Differentiate with respect to y keeping x as a constant, differentiate with respect to y. So 2 into, here also same procedure, y square minus x whole power 1 into differentiating with respect to y here. So d by dy of 2y, y square is 2y minus x derivative is 0 because it is a constant. Next minus d by dy of 2y is 2. Now simply we have to simplify. Here minus 1, here minus is there, minus into minus plus. So 2 into y square minus x divided by 2 into y square minus x into 2y minus 2. 2 take common and cancel. Y square minus x divided by 2 take common, y square minus x into 2y minus 1. Here also 2 take common, 2 get cancelled. Y square minus x by y square into 2y, 2y cube minus 2xy minus 1. This is the answer for this given question. This is the way we have to do that by using shortcut formula for the question, the implicit function. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like, please do subscribe and share to needy people. Thank you very much.